Welcome back to JODA Decor, your go-to channel for vintage decor inspiration. Today, we're diving into the dreamy world of cottagecore and vintage decor, two timeless aesthetics that blend effortlessly for a whimsical and cozy home style. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more vintage charm, and let us know in the comments which elements you love most. Cottagecore is all about romanticizing rural life with soft, earthy tones, natural textures, and nostalgic nods to simpler times. Think cozy cottages, floral prints, handmade touches, and a connection to nature. It's an aesthetic that brings serenity and storytelling into your space. Vintage decor isn't just about antiques, it's about curating character. Each piece tells a story, whether it's a mid-century dresser, a Victorian lamp, or an old French mirror. Vintage breathes soul and authenticity into any home, making it the perfect partner to cottagecore's dreamy feel. To merge both styles, begin with a soothing color palette: soft whites, muted greens, dusty rose, and warm browns. These colors set the mood for comfort while highlighting the natural and aged beauty found in vintage items. Layering is key. Add vintage-inspired quilts, crochet throws, lace curtains, and floral upholstery. These pieces not only provide warmth but also echo both cottagecore's coziness and vintage's timeless charm. Combine wood, wicker, and stone with antique accessories like brass candlesticks, enamel pitchers, or vintage books. This fusion grounds the whimsical nature of cottagecore with the grounded beauty of old-world craftsmanship. Incorporate dried flowers, botanical prints, and nature-themed artwork. Cottagecore thrives on this connection to the outdoors, and vintage frames or pressed flower displays help tie the themes together beautifully. It's tempting to fill every nook with charm, but keep it intentional. Choose meaningful vintage pieces and pair them with functional decor, like a rustic bread box or a distressed side table, to avoid visual overwhelm. Cottagecore loves sustainability, and Vintage Decor excels at repurposing. Use old crates as shelves, antique teacups as planters, or a vintage ladder as a blanket rack. Creative reuse brings personality and practicality. Design little nooks for reading, journaling, or tea drinking with vintage armchairs, embroidered pillows, and soft lighting. These corners capture the soul of cottagecore while showcasing vintage details. Don't be afraid to mix patterns like gingham, toile, florals, and vintage stripes. Layer them thoughtfully, maybe a floral sofa with a plaid blanket or a toile wallpaper with a lace-trimmed lampshade. It adds personality without chaos. Soft, warm lighting brings everything together. Vintage chandeliers, fabric lampshades, and fairy lights help create that magical cottagecore ambience while adding retro flair. Bring in handmade pottery, cross-stitched art, or heirloom furniture to highlight the handmade aesthetic. Cottagecore celebrates craftsmanship, and vintage treasures carry the stories of generations. By blending the softness of cottagecore with the richness of vintage decor, you can create a home that feels both timeless and dreamlike. We hope you're inspired to bring this whimsical charm into your space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite part of today's video in the comments below. See you in the next one on JODA Decor.